Greetings, everyone. Let me tell you a quick story about Daniel, one of my close friends and a fellow Microsoft partner. A few weeks ago, Daniel was gearing up for an important customer meeting. The customer wanted to see the live walkthrough of the Microsoft 365 and the Dynamic 365 capabilities. Nothing too fancy, just a clean demo environment to showcase the magic. But guess what? Daniel was stuck. He spent hours trying to get a trial instance. First, he had to request internal approvals, then compliance reviews, then someone from the IT had to validate the use cases, then more approval. By the time he reached out to me, he was frustrated, annoyed, and honestly thinking about to giving up. That's when I asked, Daniel, why are not you using the Microsoft Demo Experiences MDX? He paused. What is MDX? He asked. I told him MDX is literally built for a situation like yours. So MDX accessible via the cdx.transform.microsoft.com. Let Microsoft partners experiences showcase and demo Microsoft solutions using the hands-on pre-configured environments and simulated scenarios. It offers both live and simulated demos, and all you need is a work or a school account. Even better, you can create the demo tenant for the Microsoft 365, Security, Dynamic 365, and the business application. It gives access to the step by step demo scripts and the interactive experiences like the customer immersion experiences, as long as you are the Microsoft employee, partner, vendor, or a Microsoft MVP. With the right account setup, you are having the access of this. The entire thing's site inside the Microsoft transformation toolset, designed specifically to help sales, pre-sales, and the technical roles demonstrate the value of the Microsoft Cloud. When Daniel heard all of this, he almost screamed, Wait, I have been suffering for no reason. Pretty much. Daniel logged in using his partner account, clicked into the MDX catalog, and within the minute, he found multiple pre-built demo environments. He accessed guided demo scripts. He could run the simulation and interactive guides. He spun up the demos tenants with zero internal frictions. He literally messaged me, bro, this just saved my weeks. I told him that exactly why MDX exists. Just like I helped Daniel, let me show you how quickly you can access the MDX and spin up a demo or the trial instances. In some of my next videos, also I will walk you through the logging into MDX. I will also show you how to browse the demo catalogs. I will spin up a trial demo instances right in front of you. I will show you the simulation and pre-built experiences you can use with the customer. Once you see the speed, you will wonder why you have ever used the slow internal approval processes. Before we continue, don't forget, if you are watching this as a part of my session or the video, subscribe to the channels, hit the bell icons, because I will be also showing how to use the MDX simulation, how to leverage interactive guides, how to deliver the killer customer demos, how to use the pre-built CI experiences to impress your audience. This is the kind of the content that save partners times, effort, and a lot of frustration. Let's quickly move it to the browser. And now you see I have been triggered to the cdx.transform.microsoft.com. There is an option for the sign in. And then if you're not already the Microsoft partner, please click to the link, like put all your details into the application form, or it will be good ready for the reviews by the Microsoft internal team members. Once it is approved, then as a partner, your organization is pretty much eligible to use this platform. So right now, let me sign in here. It asks my user credential. So I used my MVP user credential for now. It asked me for the sign up. And then it take couple of seconds to validate. Before I go more deep into that one, this application asked me the permission request for my basic profile details. I provided my consent to this, and then it redirected me to the cdx.transform.microsoft.com homepage. Now it's generally called the MDX. And here I have to choose the segment. So I'm the part of the segment of the MVP, and my role is also an MVP. So I just click on a start button here. But if you are a partner, you have to choose a partner, and then you have to choose the appropriate role accordingly. Before we continue, let's go through with the terms of use of this platform. There are some of the basic and important aspect here that you should not share this tenant informations or the credential with any of your customers or your friends or your colleagues. Tenant credentials should not be shared with anyone in any of the conditions. And also the credentials should not be changed or removed except to comply the MFA policies. So please go through with all of this point. If you agreed, then you can click that you are agreed with all of these terms and condition and click on the accept and continue button, and then you will be landed to the home page. I will walk you through with the live experiences and the simulated experiences in the separate videos. But for now, let's quickly go to your dashboard. So here you can see your roles and the limit. Right now, based on your role, I am eligible for the 90 days tenant, and I am basically worked as a partner role, although it has been chosen as an MVP. But here you will go and see as a partner role. Now, if you go to the overview, you have an option here to create a tenant. Once you create it, click on the create a tenant button. Automatically, you will see the 90 days. 1 year has been already disabled right now for the partners as well as for the MVPs. I generally recommend you to choose the North America because you will see more latest builds there or the latest offering and the features there for any of the tenant which you will create it or for any of the product. And then you have to select the content pack. So for the dynamic 365 customer engagement, Dataverse, or Power Platform, you should create a tenant which is having the dynamic 365 customer engagement template. So you can click it, create tenant here. But apart from that, you have also an offering from the M365 enterprise demo content, education demo content, Microsoft Viva, Microsoft 365 compliance, Microsoft Priva tenant, Microsoft Purview data security demo tenant, business premium content, Dynamic 365 Business Central, frontline workers, and Microsoft 365 enterprise demo content with converged communication. For now, let's go with the Dynamic 365 customer engagement. Click on Create Tenant. Again, you have the Microsoft platform policies. Go and read it through. I have already gone through multiple times, but if you are going or coming the first time here, then please always go through with that, accept and continue if you agreed with all of those terms and condition. Now you see the tenant has been already spin up and you have the credential. So you will get one of the admin credential, but then apart from that, you will get the 24 different users inside that. So if you are going, for example, the CRM application with some demos, you can always choose this users, assign the respective security roles to that, and continue with your demo whatever you will prepare it for your customer or your internal team. You have the tenant detail here, like the expiration date, you can check from the admin portals. Generally, it's a 90 days. The region is North America. The content pack is a Dynamic 365 new. The status is already completed. No add-on has been added. And if there is any additional content will be there, you will see the information. For me, right now, there is no additional content. In one of the subsequent demo, I will also show you that you can create the multiple browser profile. So stay tuned for that one. Now, you have already seen that you have one on Microsoft.com domain user. So with this user, you can log into your Dynamic 365 instance. And this is how you create a Dynamic 365 environment or the Power Platform or the Dataverse environment for you. In one of the next video, we will showcase how to create a browser profiles, how to log in there. That's all for today. I hope you got some of the values with this content. Share the videos with your colleagues or the friends who are into the situation like Daniel's and put your comment inside that what you want to cover up next. Till that, have a great time and keep learning. Goodbye.